I decided instead of leaving my hair straight, I actually I wanted to put some crimps in it or some waves in it. I got this waving iron. I've been actually, I think I said it earlier, but I was actually watching a lot of videos on like waving, and I've been actually kind of crushing on them a little bit. So I decided to get that waver and try it. Hi you guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. So in this video I'm actually going to be using the Conair double ceramic triple barrel waver, that's the name of it, to wave my hair. So I'm starting out by blow drying my, I just washed my hair and conditioned it, and so I'm getting ready to blow dry it, and then after I blow dry it I'm going to trim the ends, and then I'm going to flat iron it to get it somewhat straight and then finish up with the waver. So if this is something you are interested in, just stick around. Okay, so my hair is been flat iron. It's not bone straight, but it's just straight enough so I can cut the ends. If I can trim the ends actually. Let me show you what it looks like from the back. See it? It's kind of right where my bra strap is. See, I think I'm going to lower this just a little bit so you can see. See that? It's going to take off down like down here, which is not a whole lot. The most is probably like an inch of scraggly hair. I can do without that. So yeah, that looks all right. That looks all right in my hair. Back in the day, we call these crimps, but I guess they're calling them waves today. I don't know. But I'm making these kind of like thin slices and just going through, and I already got started, but it's a little bit harder to do. I didn't think it would be as hard doing it, but it's a little bit harder than I thought it was gonna be. But if it turns out good, then it would have been worth it. I don't know if you can see. And I'm holding it for like 10 seconds ish. Okay. hopefully this won't take me all day to do. It's a lot easier to work on someone else's head, but like trimming my own hair, you know, curling my own hair, it's just harder to do. You know, as you get to those back pieces, it's like not easy. Okay, you guys, this is the finished product. I've actually done crimping my hair. It's called a hair waver, so I guess I'm calling it crimps, but it's hair waver. I don't know. I think it's a little bit of a fail. I like the way this part looks. I started on this part, and as you can see, this part, I don't know, you guys, it's kind of frizzy. But I think it's a little bit of a fail. But I do want to try this again because, like I said, I do like the way this part is looking. And if I can have that look all over my head, I would love that. I think, though, what I'm going to do different next time is I'm going to flat iron my hair kind of straight next time. My hair was kind of big and poofy. So I don't think that this thing, I don't know, this thing definitely gave me the waves, but I think I needed to have my hair a little bit straighter, you know, before I do that. So I think that's what I'm going to do next time. Next time I'm just going to flat iron it, get it, you know, straight, and then hello. Hello, I'm filming. You've been making all this noise.
My bad. Were you in the middle of the
I was in the middle.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh. Okay, so this is actually the next time that I shampooed my hair. I decided to go ahead and blow dry it again, and then, but this time I went ahead and flat ironed it a lot straighter. It's a lot straighter than before. So I think if I'm starting out straighter, then I shouldn't get as much frizz with the hair waver. So let's see how it turns out. So you guys, that's it. This is the finished product. This is a finished product. I think it looks definitely better than the first time when I tried to do it. I don't know. The verdict is still out on this. This is by Conair. I don't know if you can see that. It's by Conair. And the verdict to me is still a little bit out because I don't know if it's maybe that I'm taking bigger pieces, but up here I can see the definition here, but towards the back I don't feel like the definition is really all there. And so I don't know if it's because maybe I'm taking too big of pieces or what it is. I turned it up pretty high. Like, I mean, I pretty much turned it up really high. I turned it up to like the second to last heat setting, and I don't know. I just feel like it doesn't get hot enough to really be able to give me the definition all over. So I don't know if it's that or if it's because maybe I use really big pieces sometimes, because it's kind of hard in the back to kind of get back there and do like this. It's kind of hard, but anyway, you know, I don't know how long these waves are gonna last, but I'm liking the final outlook. You know, even if it's just a little something that I run out and go to the store for the day, I think it's a cute look. I do like waves. I do like kind of like a loose curl look. So yeah, this is it. I hope you like it. Please, you know, hit the like button if you crimp hair and you know, maybe you have some tips you want to share. I'm definitely open to that. And I would also love, for you to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.